In 2025, should you be using Canva or PowerPoint to create presentations that actually get results? One's faster, one's more flexible, but only one works best for your goals. Let's break it down. Let's start with Canva. This tool has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and for good reason. First off, it's extremely user-friendly. Drag and drop, pre-made templates, clean interface. Even if you've never designed anything before, you can jump in and make a solid-looking deck in 10 or 15 minutes. It's also cloud-based, which means you can work on your slides from literally anywhere. Desktop, laptop, even your phone. That's a huge plus if you're on the go or working with a team remotely. Another big win: built-in assets. Icons, stock photos, shapes, animations, all right there, no hunting around. And honestly, Canva slides just look modern out of the box. If you want that clean, visual-first style that doesn't feel like a boring corporate PowerPoint, Canva delivers. But it's not perfect. If you're someone who wants total control over spacing, alignment, or custom animations, you might feel a little boxed in. Some features feel simplified, which is great for speed, but limiting if you're trying to build something more complex. Also, and this is a big one, because it's so template heavy, your slides can end up looking like everyone else's unless you take the time to customize. So, if standing out is a big deal, you've gotta tweak and brand it properly. Now let's talk PowerPoint. This tool is still the most powerful presentation software in terms of features. You get way more customization options, from advanced charts, animations, to slide transitions and layout precision. It's also better for data-heavy or technical presentations. If you're creating financial reports, engineering breakdowns, or charts with multiple layers, PowerPoint gives you the structure to build those out cleanly. And of course, in the corporate world, PowerPoint is still the standard. So if you're presenting in meetings, pitching to executives, or sharing decks internally, chances are you're expected to use it. But here's the trade-off. PowerPoint has a steeper learning curve. It's not as fast to pick up, especially if you've never worked with it before. And unless you're using the Office 365 version, it's mostly desktop-based, so it's not as portable as Canva. Also, while PowerPoint is powerful, a lot of users still rely on outdated slide styles. So unless you know how to design clean layouts, it's easy to end up with classic PowerPoint look. So if you're a content creator, coach, or small business, Canva might be all you need. It's faster to learn and helps you make good-looking slides without overthinking it. But if you're presenting in a corporate setting or doing data-heavy presentations, PowerPoint still gives you the muscle. Personally, I use both, depending on the project. Both tools are great if you know how to use them right. Don't overthink it. Pick the one that fits your workflow and focus on making your message clear.